tonight's organic salad: grape tomatoes, baby cucumbers, mixed greens, dressing, organic freshly squeezed lemon, a little bit of organic flaxseed oil, and a little bit of organic extra virgin olive oil, topped with dusting of unrefined sea salt. Redmond Real Salt is the brand. A little bit of oregano and sumac. And the superstar of tonight's salad, thanks to Cousin Darla, are the mixed greens. So we have freshly picked arugula, green leaf lettuce, red leaf lettuce, mustard greens, red oak lettuce, and baby romaine. Enjoy in good health, and thank you, Cousin Darla and Cousin Luigi. See you soon in the kitchen.